what is on your mind right now? I bet one of the main things that's on your mind right now is your career future. Will you have a job today? Will you have a job tomorrow? Will you have a job next week or even next month? Possibly some of you haven't even got a job right now. You've just recently been terminated. There's a lot of scared people out there. They're angry. They don't know what to do. I am Martin Buckland. I'm an executive career management practitioner. I specialize in managing and advancing the careers of senior executives and those who aspire to be business leaders, EMBA candidates and graduates, Executive Master of Business Administration, and I'm also a global expert in the mining profession. I've been in business 26 years. I have coached clients across the world. I've helped them navigate through 3 recessions, economic downturns. All have had the same impact. People are scared. People are frightened. They don't know where to go. They don't know who to turn to. They want help. I can help you. Just recently, I've written this book, Look After Number 1, the tips and tricks on how to recession-proof your career. It's full of information that can help you rest your mind, bring you peace, bring you tranquility, and lead you into a new mindset. So then you can march forward into a job search, rewrite your resume, do your LinkedIn profile. We are surrounded and consumed by uncertainty today. I've taken my years of experience in managing careers and written this book. There is a bonus for you, an addendum, which is talking about how to manage your career in the COVID-19 situation, which we're right in right now. Detailed information on how to recession-proof your career from A to Z. So take charge of your career. For a small investment, you can download this ebook. It's going to be one of the best investments you've ever made. It will tell you how to go through an economic downturn and recession-proof your career. It's got all sorts of tips and tricks from my 26 years of experience. Download this book. You will have the tools and the tricks to push your career and win and conquer through the recession.